Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the standard photo mode, but the mode doesn't really matter. You can be on whichever mode you want to because we will open general settings. I also wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the grid lines should disappear after resetting. So now all you need to do is to open the settings. So you can either tap on this icon in the right upper corner or swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, just like that, to open more options, and tap on settings. Here, let's scroll down and localize the option restore defaults, which is at the very bottom. So tap on it, tap on OK. And we just got back to the camera itself, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked because our device asks us about the access to the location, and this is the thing that will appear if we are opening the camera for the very first time after the first configuration. So this is our first evidence, and the second one is that the gray lines are not visible, which means that we just reset the settings also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.